Hi there, this is Damien from roombooker.com.au, and today we've got a quick overview of our Roombooker system just to show you some of the features and show you just how easy it is to use. So as you can see, we're here at demo.roombooker.com.au. You can visit that address and try the demo for yourself, but in the case of your own installation there'd be some subtle differences. So one of the differences would be, instead of it saying demo there, it would say your practice name.roombooker.com.au. So you can choose any unique subdomain there that you like. The other difference is that this splash screen would actually contain some customized information for your practitioners. So it might just have a couple of instructions on how to make a booking and the times that they can do it and what each room is. So we'd ask you for that content when we're setting up the system. We can also embed a couple of little training videos that we've produced which will show the practitioner how to make a booking very simply and easily. So from here the practitioner will arrive and they'll just go here and they'll add their login details. They will have a login that you've already created for them, so you can have as many practitioners on your system as you like. So the practitioner, we're just going to sign in as ourselves as admin today. So we're going to log in, and that will take them straight to this calendar of the actual booking system itself. And so let's just say, for example, I've logged in from the local cafe. I'm on a laptop. I'm one of your practitioners, and I've just had a phone call from a client of mine or a patient, and they want to make a recurring booking with me every week, starting from tomorrow, which is Wednesday, right through indefinitely. So I just log in, I just click on that day. It shows me the times, so I'd find what time's available. They said that they're not really fussed with the time. They're happy with any time in the afternoon. So I'm just going to make it 1 till 2 p.m. And we've got a choice of 2 rooms here in the demo. Again, with your own installation you can have as many rooms here as you like, and they can be called anything you want. So I'm just going to choose room 1 from 1 till 2. My short description here, I'll just put my name. I don't want to put any patient's details in the actual system because this is accessible by the administrators and the other practitioners. So I'll keep that patient's name and records to myself, and here I'll just put my own name, which might be Steve, and then I'll put that there. And I can leave the description here blank. I've already chosen room 1. I can switch it to room 2 if I wanted to. So the date is already set. Start time 1 o'clock. End time, we'll just make that 2 o'clock. The type is normal. You can set all different booking types here. Again, importance, you can have standard or urgent. By default we've just got all these set to the one variable. Agency, again, if you've got multiple agencies practicing out of your rooms, you can have them under different categories here, which makes it simpler for things like billing them. And recurring, we want to make this particular booking recurring. If it was just a one-off, we'd leave this blank, but we want to make it say, you've got the choices here of daily, weekly, monthly, monthly on the same week and day, and for X number of weeks. So we want to make it weekly, and the day of the week we want, as we said, is going to be the Wednesday. And the end date, we just have to fix a nominal end date here, so we just might make it for the next 4 months or so, and then we can always renew it after that. Then we just go save booking, and the booking is now in the system. So we've got monthly view and weekly view. If we want to see our booking there, make sure it's been made, we just go here, and sure enough we can see it. We just made it for Wednesday 1 till 2, and there we are, Steve, our role or our login name, administrator, and then agency 1. So if we go back to monthly view, as you'll see we've got some more options here. So let's just change hats for a minute and say we're the administrator and we want to log in and just see how our rooms are being booked. We can also have an email sent to us every time one of our practitioners makes a booking, but that might just get annoying, so we just want to log in once in a while and see what rooms are booked when. So we might just go buildings and rooms, and we can have a look at room 1, and we'll just look for over the next week. So we'll just go from the 17th to the 24th, and then we'll just go search bookings, and it shows us all those bookings in room 1 for the next week. So we can then print that out. We can also a practitioner can go and have a look at their own bookings using the same kind of search functionality, setting a period, and then it will tell them. So let's say Steve wants to see his bookings for the next month, and we just go up to August the 17th. So there's the time range, the times that the bookings will be made between 7 AM and 7 PM. Search bookings, and sure enough there are all our bookings that we've made. Now it's showing some other bookings there because I logged in on the same login and made some bookings for Mary earlier, but in practice this would just be that particular user's booking. So then they can print this out using their browser printer, and then they've just got a hard copy of all their bookings for the next month. You could, as an administrator, you can also generate reports. So you might say, I want to see all the bookings on room 1 by a particular user. So again, we're the only user at the moment, so I'd choose administrator. You could choose all users, or there might be Bob and Steve and Jane under there. You could just generate this report for one of them for this year, and then you could just choose how to sort it. So you could sort it by room, by building. So let's do it by date, and then we just go show bookings, and here's an entire printout of all of our bookings for that time period, which we can then export to an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, we can print it directly, or we can export it to a PDF. So that's just a quick overview of some of the features and functions of the Roombooker system, how simple it is to use. So you've got weekly and monthly view. If you've got a weekly view, you just skip ahead to the next week. You can make bookings directly in the weekly view. As you can see, it just pops straight up there for that time slot. Change it to 10 AM. So you can make a booking in under a minute. And as I said, you can log in from anywhere where you've got internet access, on your phone, on an iPad, laptop at a cafe, and make bookings and check bookings from there. So we are offering a 1-month free trial at our website, so you can sort of create your own account, have your own unique subdomain, and test it all out and see how it works for you for the first month. And if you like it, then you can sign up to one of our plans and continue on with it indefinitely. No contracts or anything like that. So if you're interested, head on over to our website at roombooker.com.au. You can also check out the demo there and make some dummy accounts for yourself, and just go in and see how easy it is to make a booking and generate reports. So I think that's about it for now. We will make some more videos on specific how-tos, how to generate more detailed reports, and little simple quick instructions for your practitioners on how to make bookings as well. So thanks for watching. I'm Damien from Roombooker, and hope to hear from you soon.